Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X95 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, have it visible on your screen. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible in my case. From there, once your content is prepared, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You get this pop-up right here with several different options like cropping well, by default it's going to be full, so it's going to capture the entirety of your screen, but you can select local, which basically allows you to shrink it in some ways, cut it in a way. Let's try it again because it disappears. We have also paint, so you can just add some like markings to it, just paint on it. Free allows you to select freely a specific area. Long will allow you to capture a longer version of a screenshot and content that can be scrolled down. And obviously, just click on OK here. And this will then save the screenshot into your Photos application. Nope. Go access the apps on here. Either I'm blind or I just don't see a Photos application or gallery. Oh, I am blind. There it is. Gallery. Anyway, in here you will see Photos tab and Folders. Now, if you have just captured your screenshot like I did, it will be visible at the very top of your Photos tab. But later on, once you have captured a bunch of screenshots, photos, and anything else that will be showing up in here, it will be probably easier to navigate into the folders and then find Screenshots folder, which will obviously contain only screenshots. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.